will be my first 11 against Nigeria, the return match that will take place at Viola Stadium in Abuja. And I'm gonna tell you that some few players was not in. Now there's changes in my first 11. If you could remember clearly, the last time I did my first 11 that would take the match against Nigeria in Ghana, Baba Yara Sports Stadium. A lot of people was talking about where is Mohamed Salisu and Kamodin Suleimana and few others, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why they was not include my first 11 the last time. And yet I'm gonna talk about Mohamed Salisu. You see, guys, to me, I don't want to waste my time talking about Mohamed Salisu. Honestly, I do not really want to waste my time talking about Mohamed Salisu. I'm going to give you my reason why. Mohamed Salisu, what I get a little bit, I don't know if that is true, but what I heard was the time that he wanted to play for the youth level or something like that, and they was demanding money from him. So because of that, he decided not to play for Ghana at all. If that is the reason, I don't think that is really enough, and I'm gonna tell you why. You see, for me, saying that I'm not supporting that football people in Ghana, they have to demand money from players before they play for their national team. But however, you see, Mohamed Salisu shouldn't forget that he cannot be in Southampton forever and ever. As a young player, you should have people out there that no matter what, you have to listen to them sometimes. So if there's a player, one player that so many people try to talk to him many times and the same player refuse to come, I don't think I have to waste my time talking about set of player. And even if Mohamed Salisu is a striker, I would say yes, because we have a problem on the striking role. But when it comes to center defenders, I don't think that we have a problem on the center defenders. We have Daniel Mate there doing pretty well in Leicester City. We have Alexander Juku, a great player, young talent player, doing pretty well in support in the French League One. Even last week, he got a goal, and that made they got their win over Monaco. And we have Jesus Slope coming up that can play for the left back. So why we have to wasting time talking about one player that I don't think that, yes, he's a great player, but to me, I don't think that Mohamed Salisu is bigger than Ghana, is bigger than Black Stars. And he have to remember that he cannot be there always, and a time will come, he will need Ghana service. So as a young player, for me, I believe that no matter what they have against football people back in Ghana, at least you should have people out there that will listen. And there are so many people that try to talk to him, and they feel like he is not ready to play for Ghana. So why we have to focus talking about one player that cannot just make difference? Mohamed Salisu alone cannot just change the whole problem in Ghana. Our problem we have is so like striking rule, not about the center defender. So that is my main reason why it's not included in my first 11. I'm talking about Leron Owusu. It's the first time that he come to play for Black Stars, and then the first league or the first 11 I did the last time, I feel like he did not really know much about African football. So the first match, we shouldn't make him sad. That is why you see Afro Harrison as an experienced player starting for the first match that I did in my first 11. And I feel like this time around is good enough, because studying the team, studying the game of the first match, it can learn something, and when we go to Nigeria, he will get a chance to start on my first 11. So that is the reason why you are seeing him this time around. Those who don't know where he's play on based on Holland, was born in Holland, he play there as well. And if you couldn't find Fatau Isako the last time. The reason why I didn't include him in the striking role the last time on my first 11, he gets moved to the Portuguese league, and Sporting Lisbon is not just the first team, the team B, and is now training on them. And I think the first match against Nigeria in Baba Yara Sports Stadium, I think that is the reason why you didn't find him, or you didn't see him on my first 11 that I put the last time. And I think this time around it's good for him to be on the first 11 that will play against Nigeria in Abiola Stadium in Abuja. And Kamodin Sulemana as well. Kamodin Sulemana picked an injury the last time, and even from miss about 2-3 matches, and now recover. And I think getting to the return match in Nigeria, Abiola Stadium in Abuja, he will be fine to start the first, the second match in Nigeria. So, what player you think he does not deserve to be here? And a lot of people still have issues about Jojo Walcott. To me, I watch the League 2 all the time. He's doing pretty well.